The eye whites. In order to show the stitches more clearly, we'll use other colored yarn instead of white yarn for demonstration. Please refer to the stitches, ignoring the yarn's color. You should use the corresponding yarn in the kit according to the instruction. Wrap the yarn around your little finger and then bring it up to index finger. Pinch the yarn tail with your thumb and middle finger. Working into a magic ring, make a loop around your middle finger. Pinch the crossover of the yarn with thumb and middle finger. Insert hook into the loop on middle finger. Yarn over the hook and pull up a loop. A magic ring is formed on the middle finger. In round 1, start with a chain stitch, CH, and then work 8 single crochets, SC. Finally end with 1 slip stitch, SS. Yarn over the hook and pull the yarn through the loop on the hook. The chain stitch, CH, is to raise the height and will not be counted into the number of stitches. Then work 8 single crochets, SC. We need to mark the first stitch of every round. Continue to work 7 more single crochets, SC, in the same way. Eight V shapes on the side stand for 8 single crochets, SC. Pull the yarn tail tight to close the ring. Remove the marker and work 1 slip stitch, SS, in the first stitch to join this round. The slip stitch, SS, serves as a connection. It is not counted into the number of stitches. Round 1 is done. In round 2, start with a chain stitch, CH, and then work 8 increases, INC. Finally end with 1 slip stitch, SS. Work 1 chain stitch, CH, first. Then work 8 increases, INC. First, work 1 single crochet, SC, in the first stitch. Mark the first single crochet, SC. Then work 1 more single crochet, SC, in the same stitch. One increase, INC, is done. There are 2 OV shapes on the side. Continue to work 7 more increases, INC, in the same way. We need to work 2 single crochets, SC, in each stitch. 8 increases, I and C, are done. Remove the marker and work 1 slip stitch, SS, in the first stitch to join this round. Round 2 is done. Stretch the loop and remove the hook. Break yarn, leaving a long yarn tail for sewing. Pull the yarn tail out. Tighten up. We'll take this side with a yarn tail as the front of the eye white. Use the hook to pull this short yarn tail to the back side. Tighten up. Cut off this short yarn tail. This is the front of the eye white. One eye white is completed. Please crochet the other eye white in the same way on your own. Two eye whites are completed.